What's up, guys? I am Sean Samonte, the youngest professional drummer in the Philippines. So today, we're gonna be reacting to Architects sa kanta nilang Animals. Is this a Maroon 5 reference? Pero syempre, bago yan. Pagsada! Alright, kung napanood nyo yung recent video ko about this band, this Architects, kung napakinggan nyo yun o kung napanood nyo yung video na yun, yeah, grabe. Like, unexpected talaga kasi I'm more of a guy like just breakdowns, more on parang basta mabibilis, tas half time, tas breakdown. Yun yung ine-expect ko sa bandang Architects. Pero ngayon, I am enlightened. I know their sound. I listen to some of their songs. Pero this song, hindi ko pa napapakinggan. So, without further ado, let's just start it. Alright, I wanna hear them chords. I wanna hear them riff. I wanna hear them technical drum beats again. So, we're gonna put these earphones in for better audio, and let's start this video in 3, 2, 1. Okay, sa mga ano dito, mga paebal, ganon, yung mga just wants attention, they're just gonna backwards, yung alam niyo yung mga nate-trending dati, yung mga backward songs, yung mga subliminal messages ng mga pag inano mo siya ng backwards. Ay nako, may mga paepal na dito na mga papansin na oh, this song is Satanist. This is a culty song. Whew. I can see the other videos, other people reacting to this like, what is the message? What is the backwards message? Is this satanic? Is this evil? Is this demonic? I'm not gonna do that, but let's react to the video. Yeah. Yeah, this is the song like like just full on cymbal drums na hard hitting, just ganun lang talaga. It just drives you, alright? It just gives you energy, it just gives you power. Alright, I really like that. I really like that intro. Just start off with a bang.
Best, but everything seems ominous. Not feeling blessed, quite the opposite.
Wow.
This shouldn't feel so monotonous. It never rains, but it pours.
Alright, am I allowed to say this? But they're like the heavier version of Linkin Park. Just saying. Just saying.
We're just a bunch of fucking animals, but we're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin. Should I just pull the pin?
Man, this, oh my god. Just drives me wild, alright? It just gives me power. I just want to scream. Pero gabi na, so it's just, man, the intro, just the chords itself, just, woo! I didn't expect that to be that hard. I'm not gonna lie. Alright,
I'll
songs.
done my hands off, thought that I could stop.
that's a good feel. Let me rewind that. Alright. Parang ganun yung transition. So it's really clean, alright?
Fucked it again, that was all I've got. It never ends, but it does.
Alright.
Life is just a dream within a... We're just a bunch of fucking animals, but we're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin.
I like that stop. Like, you know.
Living in says I should pull the pin.
Oh, I really like that. One more. Oh my god, that bass effect.
Buried under
Crunchy.
diamond in the mud. Infinity is waiting there 'cause nobody can burn a glass cathedral.
Fuck. Ooh, that's nice. That's alright. Woo! Synthwave with a little bit of a little heavy tone. Jig, 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 jig. A little bit of a halftime. That's a breakdown, ay. That's a modern breakdown kasi may mga synthwaves na pero this is just good. This is crazy, man. It's just bruh. That's all I can say, bruh.
Dream within a dream within a. We're just a bunch of fucking animals, but we're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin. We're just a bunch of fucking animals, but we're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin.
Okay, back to
Should I just pull the pin?
this
Should I just pull the pin out?
this crunchy commuting outro.
Should I just pull the pin? Cause nobody can buy. Should I just pull the pin?
Bro never cease to amaze me. That is Architects sa kanta nilang Animals. Alright. Mapansin ko dito sa kanta nila, or hindi dito sa kanta nila, their signature sound must be those juicy riffs and chords. Alright, yung chord progression nila, yung dito mismo, yung like yun yung signature sound nila eh. They come up with this chord progression, they come up with these riffs na just juicy, crunchy, just deliciously good. Parang masarap lang talaga sa tenga. Though simple, but yet effective. Parang ganon. Especially sa drums. Alright. Napaka-simple lang ng mga fills and transitions. But it is really effective. And it sounds very complex. It sounds very professional. Ika nga. Man, this is one of the best bands I have listened to. Alright? The modern day metalcore bands, no? They added synthwave, they added like alam niyo yung parang mix sa Linkin Park, diba? Naglagay sila ng just drop B or drop A, and then they add a little hip hoppy or synthwavy na tone just to mix up. Parang ganun yung sound nila, but they sound more heavier than Linkin Park. Alright, this is just very surprising. Nakangati ulo ko, grabe, nakaka-surprise. Alright, and I'm not surprised that some of the most famous YouTubers have seen this band or have reacted to this band, because this band is just very good, alright, in terms of technicality, in terms of the sound, in terms of the music, in the songs. Just very, very good, very professional. It's just the juicy chords, the clean transition of the drums, the simple yet effective approach dun sa mga kanta nila is just perfect combination. Alright, mad respect to Architects, and shout out to Architects if you're watching this. Can we jam? Can we jam? I hope though. I hope. Grabe. I think Architects has these songs that just want you to be motivational, be positive in your life. Alright, because the music itself just drives you wild, or the music itself just gives you power. It's about drive, it's about power. We straight hungry, we devour. Parang ganon. Like, you just want to gain weight. Yeah, you get your dumbbells and exercise, that kind of vibes. This is not a groovy type of song. Katulad dung nireact kong video about their song Doomsday, but this is the songs that just makes you happy, just makes you feel positive, just gives you off this positive aura. Alright, just want to spread it all to people. Alright, it's just the comment here, even Nick Nocturno. Alright, Nick Nocturno is one of the best guitarists and one of the best YouTubers here. I've seen him, I watch his videos, but damn, he even saw this song, this band. So I'm not surprised. This is just good, alright. I am still surprised. It never ceases to amaze me. Of course, Architects, it's a pass. Pasado yan sa akin. Their signature sound is very, very notable. Alright, their juicy riffs and their juicy chords. Sounds complex, but it's simple and it's effective. That's all I can say to their band. Alright, their sound is just complex, sounds so professional, but yet it's just a simple beat, it's just a simple riff, a simple chord progression, but yet it is very effective and it's very good to hear. It gives this delicious meat steak to your ears. Just gives off this positive energy all around your brain, all around your body. That's all I can say to Architects. So shout out to Architects and mad respect to you. So syempre, itong banda, itong song, pasadong pasado. So, nagustuhan niyo ba tong kanta ng Architects? You want to see more of Architects? Kung meron ba kayong mga paboritong kanta ng Architects? Our album from Architects? Or if you had any suggestions, music video, official audio video, you know the drill, live performances, artist music, any kind of it, react to it, comment down below so I can react it, so we can see it all together, react it all together. And if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and click notification bell para updated kayo sa mga posts, sa mga videos ko. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I hope this video drives you wild and gives you power to do anything. Salamat sa panonood, and I'll see you next